Hi, I'm Paul and this is DIY Audio. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Up2Stream Plate Amplifier from Arylic. If you haven't heard of Arylic, then take a look below. I have put a link in the description. Arylic tend to specialise in all sorts of home audio for music streaming, etc., for the DIY enthusiast. So here we have the Arylic Up2Stream Plate Amplifier, aimed specifically, according to their website, at a DIY boombox style build. I will, in the near future, be using this amplifier plate to build a DIY 2.1 speaker system. So, if you don't want to miss seeing this, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. However, there are all the connections you would, I guess, require, including Ethernet, a USB, a 3.5mm aux input, and an optical input for televisions and the like. Weirdly, however, to decipher between the modes, you have to pay for an add-on, and I personally think a small LED on the plate would have been beneficial. Setup, as I will demonstrate, is pretty simple, and although with this plate amplifier you can of course stream music through Bluetooth, after streaming through the Wi-Fi you won't want to go back, such is the difference in sound quality. So, if you have never streamed music before, this is where Arylic really have it nailed. The whole ecosystem is designed to link together to allow a multi-room experience. In fact, the whole stream music experience is just so much better than using a Bluetooth. So if you have a Spotify, Amazon Music or one of the specialist streaming services like Deezer or Tidal, then the huge Arylic range of products could certainly be for you and your build. At the end of this video is a short soundless demo which visually shows you that this amplifier plate really does have the power to support anything from a small woofer up to a large 10-inch 100-watt subwoofer. Well, thanks for taking the time to look at this short review, and I hope that setting up of your Arylic product will be made just that little bit easier.